Good morning, guys. Well, the biggest thing that happened over the weekend was an absolutely takeover by Doge and Shib. Guys, Doge and Shib went crazy. If you guys followed us in our membership, we ended up taking some actually really good exits over the weekend for you guys. This is where we did our 50% exit, almost at the top for Doge, and then pretty close to the top up here for Shib. And now we can buy coins back in lower. Please be watching for my call on that pretty soon in the membership. But guys, take a look at this ridiculously bullish article here. Shib reclaims most trending crypto status after its double-digit gains weekend rally. Okay, take a look at this down here. We're looking at CoinMarketCap under trending at number 1. Here is the most ridiculous thing I've seen like all weekend. On August 14th, this was yesterday, $1.5 billion entered Shib's market cap in 24 hours. Guys, that is absolutely crazy. So that's pretty much the article. I don't want to go too much further. I just want to keep this video concise. But we had a lot of consolidation going on down here. If I take you guys a little bit to the lower time frames here on the 4-hour, look at this down here. What happens here is you have long traders and people buying, people selling, and it's like almost equal. And it was like that for about 4, 8, let's call it 16 hours straight. And eventually, one way the market's going to break. It's a squeeze point for all traders, and whichever way it goes, people usually start closing short trades or long trades if it were to go down. People start closing their shorts and they start saying, okay, whatever, we're all jumping on the bandwagon together, and everybody just pumps this thing like crazy. So last night and over this weekend, I ended up calling exits for everybody in our membership. So real quick, if you guys want to snag a membership with us, I'm going to call this for you guys. It's just $75 a month. You get access to all the charts and everything and trade calls. Okay. With that said, guys, we ended up taking an exit here of 50% on this trade, and we also ended up exiting. I'll just put Doge in here just a little bit for you guys, about 50% up here. Why? Because we ended up getting, this sell signal up here on Doge was at the top here, looking for a move back down. We got the red bars. We pushed up into the liquidity pool up here where long traders are going to look to take some profit and liquidate back to USD. Guys, the indicators are insane. They've been calling the tops here really, really well for us. Taking a look at Shib over here, we saw us push up into this liquidity pool like far higher. This is absolutely emotional. Ended up seeing this sell and this strong sell. I saw this sell up here, and that's where I was looking at this. You guys can see up here over the 50%. I'm like, all right, we need to take some out of this market. So I saw this and I called an exit for you guys. So everybody who's just in our Telegram channel and you guys were able to see that exit, congratulations on that. You guys were able to take that. And I basically said, I'm selling more coins right now. Here's why and which one. So great job for you guys who have a membership, as well as those of you guys who have the indicator over here. All right, last but not least, let's talk really quickly about where I think Shib's going to go. So here's the deal, guys. After really aggressive pump like this, we're probably going to be seeing, obviously just the retracement here. We hit pretty close to a 50% Fibonacci retracement here. Let's take a look. If we take the high and we take the low, we basically got exactly into the golden zone, and we're looking to move back up now. I think a lot is going to depend on Bitcoin and the S&P 500. I will be doing a video about that next on this channel, so make sure you guys watch that. But honestly, guys, I'm just watching the metrics to see if they're going to give us another signal. For those of you guys with a membership over here, I want you guys to watch this chart really closely this morning. Go over to crypto charts, and I want you guys to come down and to go to Shib. I'm going to do Control F and then do Shib so we can get there a little bit faster. But I want you guys to watch this. Obviously, we can see that we have a crazy pump here from yesterday, but I want you guys to see what this looks like today and tomorrow and going into Tuesday and Wednesday to see if we get a sell signal or if we get a strong sell signal, okay? If we see that, I do think we could be seeing some moves back down in the market on the daily time frame, which would bring quite a bit of bearishness back in. Now, there is a case here where we could start seeing this go back up, and let's cover that really quickly. If Shib starts going back up, I want to bring everybody to the 1-day time frame real quick, and we're going to look at something. Where is the next strongest resistance point? Well, the strongest resistance, in my opinion, was right around this zone over here, and it was about 1,867. You can see that over to the left side there. I do think we have a potential here where we could come up here a little bit further and try to target this area, but Bitcoin is going to have to see some massive momentum to enter back into the market. If I had to make a call on this, guys, I do think today and tomorrow we're probably going to see a little bit of a correction back down, and we're probably going to see crypto move back down further, which for us is we're going to be looking to buy back into the market because we ended up selling so high. We're going to buy more coins at a lower price. Real quickly, I'm going to fly through this, but if you guys are watching our exits we've been taking on this channel, we end up getting a pretty decent exit up here on Bitcoin, so we can buy back coins lower on Bitcoin right now. We can buy back coins Bitcoin's lower on Ethereum. ADA is the one that's just still sitting in profit here a little bit higher. Mana, we can do that as well. Dogecoin is incredible, guys. I'll probably be looking to put some more money back in today or tomorrow. DOT, obviously we have a better position now, and I'm just calling all this out for you guys once you have a membership, so definitely snag that. AVAX is looking really good as well. So guys, wrapping this all up, these two indicators are in the description. If you guys would like to trade with these, I honestly think you guys are going to be able to do very well. And seeing how they call the top up here, like again, guys, the sell signal is exactly what I looked at. I set up all alerts. I set up literally, let's see, 20, 40. I set up 60 alerts over the weekend. So I can always be alerted of any strong buy or any strong sell or any sell or any buy on the 1 day time frame. And then I set up all the buys and the sells in the 4 hour, which is how I got the sell signal here to call this out for you guys. So those of you guys who are in the profit, great job on setting this indicator up, because it does come with alerts, and you could have gotten out there as well on this candle close right there. I got us out just a little bit higher because I saw it and I'm like, there's no way this sell signal is going away. We're going down. So great job for all of you. Have the indicators in the description. I'll end this here, guys. If you've already purchased our bundle pack of indicators in the past, please email us. And guys, we have a huge discount code for you, but I think you guys are going to love this. We actually had people over the weekend like, take a look at this. Great indicator. Already made my money back and more. So great job, Javier. You're doing amazing. This down here is probably a little bit harder to read, but it says, hey, Travis, I'm back. Let you know that I'm making above $1,000 per month from your indicators. Easy. Trend exhaustion and precious well money flow are my favorite indicators. That's in the bundle pack, and I'll show that to you guys in a second. Another guy down here, he said, sweet new indicators, got up yesterday and I've already made my money back. Guys, this is within like 24 to 48 hours after they got the indicators. The signals are amazing. So new indicators are amazing, everyone. Get it now. And then this guy down here, new indicators are awesome. If you are into trading crypto, buy this immediately. It is very easy to use and understand. So thank you guys for sharing those. I appreciate that. If you guys want to snag them, come over to indicators right here. Just released. You guys click this, you guys will end up seeing the new indicators. If you purchase the bundle pack down here where you get our past 9 indicators, email us, because we'll actually end up giving you a huge discount off of the new indicators. And listen to this real quick, and we'll land this thing. If you guys want to outright purchase the new indicators that I'm showing you on the charts, these two, you're going to pay the retail price. If you end up buying the bundle pack and get the coupon, it's actually $1 cheaper to do that. So you actually end up getting 11 indicators for the price of 2. So if you guys want to go ahead and get the new one, that's fine, but I would encourage you guys get the bundle pack and then go ahead and get the discount we can give you over email, and then you guys can get the new ones because you'll actually be paying less and you'll get 9 more indicators. So again, bundle pack first, get the coupon code from us, and then you guys will actually be able to come up here and snag this and be able to get it for cheaper. So guys, I love this. Have an amazing day. We'll keep you updated. I'll come out with a Bitcoin, Ethereum kind of market update on this next video. But I love you guys. Congratulations on all you guys who ended up taking the trade last night, and you guys set your 4% take profit. You guys won that trade, and we're at 440% more than the S&P 500. So a membership is awesome, and I'll keep calling these trades out for you guys. I'm looking for more scalping trades. So only $75 a month. We lowered it from 95 to 75. You'll get all of the crypto charts as well as all of these stock charts, and I'm looking for more trade setups to call for you guys. Snag a membership today. Let's do this, guys. Let's have an awesome week. We'll see you later. Bye, guys.